Hello everyone and welcome to your 18th Adobe After Effects tutorial working with 3D layers. In this tutorial we will learn what are 3D layers and what are their properties. So let's start right off. 3D layers are basically the three-dimensional layers that are present in a virtual three-dimensional space inside of the software. We can arrange these three-dimensional layers in a three-dimensional world, and these items exist as if they are in a real world. To demonstrate that, let us create a few solids. Red solid, blue solid, green solid. In order to make a layer 3D, we have to click on the switch on 3D transform icon over here. As you can see, 3D layers allows this layer to be manipulated in 3 dimensions. Left click. As soon as you select the solid, at first it had nothing in the center. Keep a close watch over at the anchor point. Select the 3D layer, and now these three things come up. This is the Z axis, this is the Y axis, this is the X axis. Since the three-dimensional world works in 3 axes, these are the 3 axes. Now if you press R on your keyboard to bring up the rotation, at first if the layer is not 3D, there is only one rotation, and then we can rotate it this way. But now as soon as you turn it 3D, there is X rotation, Y rotation, Z rotation, and orientation, how it is oriented in the 3D space. Let us select the layer. This is the X axis, so let us rotate it in the X axis by 90 degrees. Let us select the blue solid. Let us rotate it in the Y axis, this axis, by 90 degrees. Let us select the red solid and let us rotate this solid in the Y axis, or we can rotate it in the Z axis. Now in order to properly see what happened, we can change how we view it. But to see how it rotated in the Z axis, we can change the value and see how it rotated in the Z axis. For now, let us do the Z rotation to 0, and let us do the Y rotation to 90. Let us select position for the red solid. As you can see, there are 3 positions, X, Y, and Z. Let us move it first in the X position to the left. Let us move the blue solid to the right. Let us move the green solid to bottom. If we select, click on here, and then we select custom view 1, this is the viewport. In the 3D space, you can see these walls and solids are lined up like this. Now I will quickly add a light over here to demonstrate you how this is. As you can see over here, let us delete the red solid You can see these are indeed working in 3D space. So guys, that's it for this tutorial, and thank you for watching.